Hi guys, this is part 2 on how to get started programming in Python. In this video, I am going to talk to you about variables and data, and also if you haven't watched part 1 video, I have left a link in the description on part 1. Let's get started. In this course, I am going to be talking to you guys about variables and data in Python. Now in Python, you are going to be dealing with a lot of data, and sometimes managing data can be quite tricky to manage. So in Python, we have this thing called variables, and it's just basically a container where we can store different data values. By doing it this way, it makes it a lot easier to manage all the different data values in our program. So variables are extremely helpful. So in this course, I am going to be talking to you guys everything that you need to know about variables in Python and also the different types of variables. So guys, over here in my Python folder, I have written a basic Python program using the print statement, and in this print statement I have written a small story which says that there was once a girl named Sana. Sana was 10 years old. She really liked the name Sana but didn't like being 10 years old. Now guys, I want you to think a situation such that I have done a mistake such that I have typed the name Sana as Zahara, as the name like over here on my screen. As you can see out here, it says Zahara. Usually I would go to the particular name and change it. So let me show you how to do it. So over here it says Zahara but it actually should be Sana. So let me just change it. Let me type in Sana. Now it's changed to Sana. Now if I run the program, it will be updated in the program. As you can see over here, it is Sana over here. Now I want you to think a situation such that I've done a lot of mistakes, like you can see on my screen. See over here it says Zahara, over here it says 5 years old, over here it says Rehan, over here it says 6, but it actually should be Sana over here, and over here it should be 10 years old over here, and it should say Sana. Now you guys might be saying that it is easy to fix the problem, but there is another way to fix the problem, which is to use variables and data to fix the problem. So let me show you how to do it. First, leave 2 spaces in front of the print statement like I have done over here. See, I have left two lines. In these 2 lines we are gonna write two other different types of lines, so you need to leave space for them. I'll say what to write in type in those 2 lines. In the first line you have to type in character underscore name, and don't forget you should leave space between the 2 words, or else Python will give you an error. So don't forget to leave space between by putting an underscore over here, as you can see on my screen. Now you can type the character's name over here, but before that you need to type 2 other things. You need to leave some space between the word name and equal to. You have to put equal to symbol here, and also you need to type in 2 quotation marks, and in these quotation marks you have to type the name. Suppose like you have to type the name, so I'm thinking of typing the name Sana, so let me just type that in. Do not leave space like I did over here. That's a mistake. Python will give you an error. Now on the second line you have to type the exact same thing but a little bit different. See over here in the second line you need to type in character underscore, and you should not type name over here. Let me just change that to type in age. After typing age you have to do the same thing that we did on the top over here, equal to then the double quotation mark over here as I have done over here. In these quotation marks now you need to type in the characters that name that you want to keep it as is. So I'm going to keep it as 10, and also leave some space between these two over here. Now we have two characters representing the character's name and the character's age over here. So now what we can do is we can replace the name over here as Zahara into this. So let me show you how to do it. So now if you want to put a variable in one of these print statements, we have to actually do a couple of things. First you have to put the quotation mark in front of this word name over here, as you can see on my screen over here, and don't forget to leave a space. And you guys might be thinking what am I trying to achieve? Well, basically I'm trying to wrap this entire sentence, there was once a girl named, this thing into a quotation marks, and then and then you have to put the character's name over here. And now what we need to do is we have to put the quotation mark in front of the name over here. And now since we don't need this name anymore, Zahara, we can delete this and we can put a plus over here. And just put it over here. After typing the plus symbol over here, you have to type in character underscore name, again plus. Now you just need to do the same thing for the rest 4 of the lines. You have done in the first line, same thing that needs to be done for the Rehan over here, and for the age also it's the same. I will show you also how to do that. To do the character's age, you have to do the same thing that we did on the top over here. Just a few things that we need to change. So let me just erase this age as 5, and let me just copy and paste this over here. Yeah, now what we need to do, instead of the name you have to put it as age. Now it will work in the program. So let me just finish these 2 other lines, and then I'll show you then I'll run the program and show you what happened. Now I finish typing it in, so let me just run it and show you. I'm going to click this button over here, and as you can see whatever I typed as a variable over here is exactly been typed to the name and also the age. If you guys are wondering how does it work, with basically since I put in all these character name, character age, well Python is just basically going to reading the first line character name, and if it's and the variable over here it says character name, it goes to the variable and checks if what the name is over here. Suppose Rixana over here it is, so it just displays it onto the console over here. Same thing is happening for the age over here. If you guys like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you haven't watched part 1, I've left a link in the description of part 1. If you have any questions in this video, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in part 3.